Alright, here is a 50-inch white Casablanca Delta II ceiling fan. I got this ceiling fan off of eBay around Christmas time, so like 2 months ago. It's got gloss blades, 4 blades, and there's the top. There's the tag right there. K1 light kit on it. Everything on this fan is original except for the pole chain and the light globe. And it doesn't have a chain for the light, so the light can only be on when the fan is on. You can't have the fan on and the light off. It's a little annoying, but it's fine. We can deal with it. It's got gloss blades. I think I already said that, though. A 4-blade only flywheel. That'd be another top shot. So now I will demonstrate it. Low. Medium. High. Very good fan. Blows a ton of air. I think this might actually be the best air mover in the house. The Quorum Remington might be a close second, or number 1, if not this one. Very powerful breeze. And I'll turn it off. And that is it. This is my 50-inch white Casablanca Delta II ceiling fan installed in the guest room. So that's it. The Russian Fazbear, out.